Mandela effect. Unidragon. Inexhaustible abundance.
Excuse me.
It's so abundant.
Did you just get me yawning in that picture?
No, I'm looking at the puzzles. This one is Unidragon overarching opposites. That looks like, whoa, 3D, baby. Woo.
Yeah. And then...
Wait, not this. It's okay. And then Mr. Owl has nothing to do with you. Is that Unidragon also?
Yes.
Oh.
It was the first one I ever had during the pandemic.
Pandemic.
Yes.
Owl.
Yes.
Owl.
Then fidget spinners that come with
the overarching abundance.
Yes.
Doesn't spin freely.
This one doesn't spin like that, but you can move things around.
Nice.
I have it perfectly balanced right now, so I don't want to move it.
So if somebody were to purchase one of these, what would it cost?
One of these?
Yeah.
$100.
$100 each?
Mm-hmm. These were all $100
each.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.